Andrew Wilkinson is a Canadian politician. He is the leader of the British Columbia Liberal Party, and currently serves as the leader of BC's legislative official opposition. He was elected to the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia in the 2013 provincial election. He represents the electoral district of Vancouver-Quilchena. He served as Minister of Justice and Attorney General from June 12, 2017 until an NDP minority government was sworn in the following month. He previously served as Minister of Advanced Education from December 18, 2014 and the Minister of Technology, Innovation and Citizens Services from June 10, 2013. He was the Deputy Minister of the British Columbia Ministry of Economic Development from 2003 to 2006, where he was responsible for economic issues, trade and tourism. He also served as Deputy Minister for Intergovernmental Relations in the Premier's office for 2 years from 2001 to 2003.